Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Dodge Dart SE, stock number Z7391A. Only 48,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, bright white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. It's in the compact car class, but has the interior room of a mid-size car. Seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges. With driver information system. Cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Dart has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Fuel efficient as well. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and a city average of 34 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Dart, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.